Hello viewers, you are welcome to Bamaina math class. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. The question says find the integer solution for the system of equations, that is AB plus C equals to 2020 and A plus BC equals to 2021. And this is an Olympiad question. So now we begin by saying solution. Now from there, we give this one equation 1 and this one to become equation number 2. So from there, if you like, you can subtract 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. So let us subtract equation 1 from 2. That is, subtract 1 from 2. It means equation 2 minus equation 1. So the left-hand side is A plus BC, then minus AB plus C. That is this minus this, equals to 2021 minus 2020. Now from there, we have A plus BC. This negative, we pass it inside. So here will become negative. Also here will become negative. So that is minus AB minus C. Then equals to 2021 minus 2020. We have 1. Now from there, if you like, you rearrange. Because here you have A, here you have AB. So those in terms of AA, merge them together. So we have A minus AB. And then we have minus C and plus BC. Minus C and plus BC then equals 1. So now we are going to factor out A here because A is common. So we have A into here remain 1, then minus A already out. So here we have B. Then minus C is common. So here we have 1 in plus of C. The minus already out. You put minus inside because minus will give you a plus. So C already out, remain B there. So equals to 1. So now two brackets are the same. So you take 1, that is 1 minus B. And those outside the bracket, you merge them in one bracket, that is A and minus C. So you have equals to 1. So now we are looking for integer solution. So the only numbers which are integers to multiply together, we multiply together to give you 1 is 1 and 1 or minus 1 and minus 1. So here we have 1 minus B into 1A minus C to be equals to 1 multiplied by 1 because 1 times 1 will give you 1. And we are talking about integers. The only integers that can give you 1 is 1 and 1. Or A 1 minus B into A minus C will give you minus 1 times minus 1. So now let us consider the two cases one by one. Let us take the first case. We have case 1. We said that 1 minus B into A minus C is the same thing as 1 times 1. So that means 1 minus B is equals to 1 and A minus C is also equals to 1. Because if this one is 1, this one is 1, we are going to have 1 times 1, which is the same thing here. So this means 1 minus B is equals to 1. So from there, we are looking for B. Take B to the other side and take this one to the other side. So we have 1 minus 1 equals to B, which means our B here is 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. So B is 0. So now you come back to equation number 1 or 2. So let us take equation 2. We have A plus BC equals to 2021. From equation 2, A plus BC equals to 2021. So this implies A plus our B is 0 because we have 0 here. So we have 0C equals to 2021. So this means our A, 0 times C is 0. So we have A equals to 2021. Now from there, we also know that since 1 minus b is 1, then definitely a minus c is also 1. Again, we have a minus c to be equals to 1, and this implies our a is 2021. So we have 2021 minus c is equals to 1. So now take minus c to the other side and take 1 to this side. So you have 2021 minus 1 is equals to c. So means that c is equals to 2021 minus 1, which is 2020. So therefore, in this case 1, our a is 2021, our b is 0, and of course our c is 2020. This is according to case number 1. So already this is our case 1, that is 1 times 1, and we have case 2, which is minus 1 times minus 1. So we take case 2. Now from there, we have this one, 1 minus b equals to minus 1, and the a minus c is also equals to minus 1. So we have 1 minus b equals to minus 1. Now from there, you take minus b to the other side and take minus 1 to this side. That is 1 plus 1 equals to b, meaning that b is equals to 2. From there, b is 2. So now we go back to equation number 1. Equation number 1 says ab plus c is 2020. So we have, from equation 1, we know that ab plus c is equals to 2020. So from there, we have a into our b is 2, then plus c equals to 2020. So a times 2, we have 2a plus c equals to 2020. And of course, this is a new equation. We can give it a name, equation number 3. Also, we know that since 1 minus b is equals to minus 1, then definitely a minus c is the same as minus 1 also. Again, we have a minus c to be equals to minus 1 from here. So this means that this is equation number 4. So we compare 3 and 4. We have our equation 3, which is 2a plus c equals to 2020. And we have equation 4, which is a minus c equals to minus 1. So let us add 2a plus a, we have 3a, then plus c minus c, 0, equals to 2020 minus 1. We have 2019. So from here, we are looking for a. We can divide both sides by 3. So we have 3a over 3 to be equals to 2019 over 3. So from there, 3 cancels 3. We have a equals to 2019 over 3 is the same thing as 673. So our a is 673. Now from equation number 4, we know that from number 4, we said a minus c equals to minus 1. So we have a minus c equals to minus 1. This means that take c to the other side, minus 1 to this side, so we have a plus 1 equals to c. So this implies that a, which is 673, then plus 1 equals to c, which means our c is equals to 673 plus 1, which is 674. So therefore, in this case too, we have our a to be equals to 673. So we have a, our 673, which is this. Then we have b, which is 2. We have our b, which is 2. So b is 2. And we have c, which is the same thing as 674. So we have 674. So these are the results for the second case. And of course, this is the solution of the system of the equations, the integer solution. Case 1 that is a, b, c, and case 2 that is a, b, and c. Thank you.